I'ma lose my mind in a place like this. I'ma take that risk. I'ma breathe the fire till the feeling hits, until we both get lit. I'ma take a dive, we can sink or swim. I'ma take a shot, we can make or miss. There's no going back once we gone all in. I don't wanna be over if I can make it right. I don't wanna take closer now if I can fix tonight. I don't know if we can work this out, but I'm gonna try. I don't wanna be over you if I can make it right. Say that it's okay, I know that it isn't. Say you need space, that is your decision. Say it to my face, tell me that I'm tripping. This is something real, I'm what you've been missing. I'ma take a dive, we could sink or swim. I'ma take a shot, we could make or miss. There's no going back once we gonna live.
Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We've come down to the beach for the afternoon with the family and a couple of boys. And yeah, so yesterday Peej and I went offshore and we got onto a couple little tuna. So we've kept them and we've come over here and we're going to cook them up this afternoon. So I'll flick you the footage of us catching them yesterday and I'll go get this food ready, eh?
That's more like a whale noise.
Laying on the floor in the doorway, looking at these pictures, nothing left to say. We were meant to grow old, now these feelings take hold. Are we ever gonna be okay again?
Oh, they're over here. See, just over there. Yeah, straight out. Cast straight out. Like,
Yep.
Looks like shit, bro.
Got another one, boss?
Yeah?
Sweet.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight, fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight.
Alright, now fuck it, I'm watching it. See ya!
Oh, you can't.